Hey guys, I don't know kung nanonotice nyo, sometimes kapag naglalakad kayo sa area or kung saan yung neighborhood nyo, lately parang dumadami yung mga signs na katulad nito na nagsasabing, we buy your houses for cash, we take over payments, no equity, no problem, no commissions or fees. And nag-iisip kayo kung legit ba to. I think they are. May mga nakausap na kasi ako na they do this to market themselves, especially do sa mga tao na they don't wanna deal with realtors and gusto lang nila ibenta yung bahay nila as is condition, hindi na nila kailangan magpa-renovate. So I think it's okay na magbenta rin through them kasi wala ka nang babayarang commissions right? Now, before you even do that, sometimes you have to know yung options nyo, right? So part of doing your due diligence is knowing yung options nyo. So one option is through private sale. Ito nga yung you contact that person or that company na naglalagay ng ganitong signs. And the other one is yung option nyo to sell through a realtor. If you're gonna ask me kung ano yung mas magandang gawin is talk to them, right? Talk to them how much yung nila bibilin yung property sa inyo, at what amount, at what price, and also talk to a realtor para malaman nyo yung fair market value ng property nyo and how much nyo siya possible na mabenta, right? Kasi kadalasan, yung mga companies na katulad nito na nagsasabi na we buy your properties for cash, kadalasan na they buy your property at a lower or under fair market value because that is how they make their money. And kadalasan ang proseso nito kasi is hindi sila mismo ang bumibili kundi ina-assign nila ito. What do I mean by assigning? So, tingnan nyo yung agreement to purchase and sell or yung offer nila to purchase yung property nyo and ipabasa nyo sa isang lawyer. Kadalasan merong clause dito na you are giving them the right to assign yung purchase agreement na yon or yung kontrata sa ibang tao. So, kadalasan they have a network of investors na kung saan ibibigay nila yung or they give them a heads up na meron silang contract na ganito to purchase yung property nyo at a certain amount and they put on top of dun sa purchase price or included na yung kanilang commission or yung fee. So you thinking na walang commission pero they actually add dun sa purchase amount yung kanilang commission. And then ipapasa nila yung kontrata sa isang investor to buy yung property mo. In my experience kasi, kadalasan yung mga owners ng ganitong bahay na binebenta nila through privately. Ang example nito is yung mga hoarder. So, ang dami nilang gamit sa bahay and yung property nila kailangan ng malaking repair or renovation and they don't wanna go through yung hassle na ipagawa pa ito. So, at also, kadalasan yung nahihiya sila na ipakita yung bahay nila na gano'n yung itsura. So, they just rather na ibenta na lang ng yung property nila through privately. So, kung nagpaplano kayong magbenta ng bahay nyo, just know that you have options and talk to a professional para mabigyan nila kayo ng advice. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to follow and subscribe.